walking away. Your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around. Throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are touring a very beautiful home, and this is the office of this home. I'm so excited for us to tour this together because there are two offices on this home, open floor plan and a single story home. So I can't wait. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and check out the channel page for more home tours. All right guys, let's tour this home together. All right guys, this is the home, single story home. And that is your 2-car garage. And then you have your 1-car garage here. I'm so excited because this is a single story. And you have your seating arrangement here. Knock, knock. Oh wow, look at this glass that I'm seeing right now. So right immediately there is a, wow, look at this guys. This glass doors makes this room even larger. And I like this LED lighting. They use a lot of LED lighting guys to make sure that it makes a lot of impact. And as you can see, this office is overlooking your, it looks like that is your living area. And then there is something going on there which might be your kitchen. But this is a really open space kind of office. And you can probably put some blinds there if you wanted to cover this. Really nice wall design here. Okay, so there's something here on this left side. Let's check out what's happening here first. This is the half bathroom. Hello guys. Pretty normal, but they've used this nice tile there. Pedestal sink, you can upgrade that to a cabinetry if you like. There's something going on here. Ooh, first bedroom. Wow, this is a really nice designed bedroom. As you can see guys, 2 windows, very generous. They use a lot of elements of space here for this bedroom to make it more interesting. Like those shelvings there, those are really nice. And then you have this walk-in closet here for a secondary bedroom. That's appreciated. All right, so we are going here on this side. This, I believe, is a shared bathroom, but it's double sink. Look at this, guys. What do you think of this floor? Right? And that's your toilet. This is your bathtub. Okay, so that's your shared bathroom there. I just wanted to read something because I just saw it. It says, grandkids make life grand. Agreed, right? Please comment down below. And then there's another door here, and that is your linen closet. Okay, so I'm seeing a mini living room area here. Wow, what is this area? See how they have like, what is that? Like a mini refrigerator, TV, sink, and a microwave. It almost like a casita, but I don't think there is a door because I didn't see a door when we were entering a while ago related to this particular casita. It looks like a casita to me because it has a living room, and then you have this bedroom here. And then let's see what's happening here. There's something here. Oh, this is your ensuite bathroom with 1 sink. And then walk-in closet. Okay. Yeah, pretty simple design here. Nothing special. But yeah, I don't know because there is no door separate for this casita. So I guess this is just for the guest, right? What a special guest you will have because they have their own seating arrangement in that coffee area there, kitchenette. All right, I can't wait to go to the main living area. Let's see what's happening here. Wow, look at this. The first thing I've noticed is this grand lighting here. Okay, so let's go on this side. I like this as well. What do you think of this, guys? Okay, so this is at the corner of your house. And this is how it looks like if you walk like this. This is a very spacious, and this glass doors here makes it more big, the size. This is a massive lighting there. Okay. Before we check on the kitchen, I'm seeing your separate dining area with huge windows. These are architecturally designed windows, which is making the room even larger and brighter. They use circular element table here so that it makes more impact because of the space, right? A circular table makes sense. Let's check out your beautiful kitchen here. Look at this. Right? You have white. That must be the double oven space. And this is your, yeah, this is a massive pantry area. This is your kitchen, guys. They use a really nice vent here so that it's easy to cook. And look at this. You'll become a chef soon if you use this kitchen. This is your view from your kitchen. Really nice. You can watch TV there while you're washing your dishes or cooking. You can talk to your guests while you are cooking also. Okay, since we're here, let's probably go out, right? Let's see what's happening on your backyard. Ooh, this is nice. Again, they already put a roof here, patio roof, so that it gives you some shade. During the night, you can open this. It gives you an idea of what you can do in your space. And again, you have that nice view of the strip from your backyard. Right, this is the strip, guys. All right, guys, I expanded it, and this is how it looks like from the backyard of this house. This is gorgeous. And during the night, when these lights are on, this is amazingly good. And this is not a really big backyard, but this is a pool-sized backyard, guys. You can put like really linear pool here, but they decided to stage this as if you are a golf fan. You like golf. And these grass are not natural, they are artificial because we are conserving water here in the beautiful and fabulous Las Vegas. Okay, guys, so this is the backyard, and they said they have a builder promotion of 50% off the lot premium. If you want, I can ask them how much is going to be the lot premium for the biggest and the lowest lots. But this is how it looks like. Really nice staging of the golf there. All right, let's go back inside because we haven't checked some of the bedrooms there. So we'll be able to check the bedroom. We're going back here. That's your office on the right and your kitchen on the left. All right, wow, there is another office. So it looks like they are envisioning that the couple who's going to stay here, the people needed 2 spaces for your office, right? Nice cabinetry again. There might be some LED lighting that we haven't seen because it's not lighted, but this is a really nice office here. Okay, so that's your office. This has a door so you can close if you wanted some privacy when you're speaking or having some meetings. There is something here. It's a coat closet. That is the office, right? Which is the garage opening. So right after opening the garage on the right side, you have this massive laundry area and with beautiful tiling there. Okay, so once you enter the garage, there you go. This is your view, right? That is the office a while ago. That is the main living area. And this is the office that we've seen a while ago. But immediately, straightforward, I'm seeing a bedroom, which we can check. Ooh, look at this. That's your linen area. And they used really nice stonework here, which I think you can put your art, right? And also on this side. And this is your, I believe, owner's bedroom. Look at this, guys. They use really nice lighting there, very huge. Again, they use this triple window, which makes the room even brighter. Yeah, this one, guys, this is a huge lighting here. Very, very nice. And then this is like a 3D wall here, but it's stone elements. I just wish there is a door somewhere here so that you can enter the backyard while after waking up. Let's check out your owner's bathroom. Immediately on the right is your beautiful bathtub, finished with those elements of wall design. It just doesn't have a view of the street because the other plants that we looked at have the view of the street from the bathtub. Hello, guys. But appreciated that they have dual sink, very, very long. And of course, this massive shower, I like it. A party of 5 people would probably fit in here. Look at this, nice stonework. Nice. Good thing they did the shower head there, meaning the rain shower head. And you have some seating arrangement here. Nice stonework. Let me know, guys, what do you think so far of this bathroom? It looks beautiful. Good thing you don't have to open a door. And on this side is your toilet, separate one. And then you have this walk-in closet there. Not the biggest, but appreciated that there is such a walk-in closet. Again, this is your owner's bathroom. All right, we're back to your owner's bedroom. And we're going back to the house or the main living area, right? This is again your kitchen. Wow, this is a really nice space here, guys. Very elegant and dramatic. Let me know what you think of this home. Really appreciate any feedback from you guys. Again, I appreciate your help. Like this comment, share this video. We are growing. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to write your comments down below. What do you think of this beautiful home? I'd really like to hear from you guys. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and share this video to the people you might know might be interested in this type of home. And I'd like to invite you to check out the channel page. There's a lot of home tours there that you might enjoy. Until next time, guys, have an amazing day.
When you're not holding me, I can see it now.